In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the best formula prompts when using Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So Gemini is a powerful tool, but it only works well when your prompt is clear. The clearer your instructions are, the more accurate your formulas will be. So here's the easiest way to think about it. Say what you want, describe where the data is, and mention any conditions. That's it. So here in my example data, we're going to try and create a formula using Gemini in counting how many attendants are present, creating a formula again to categorize students if they passed or failed based on their scores, and we can also add specific functions into our formulas. So let's get started. Now, Gemini can create our formulas in so many ways. We can do it with the Gemini panel on the right side by clicking on this one right here. There we go. We can enter a prompt and it will create a formula right here. We can also just enter the formula right inside that cell. Or you can also add an AI-powered column. That's totally up to you. But we're just going to go to the Gemini panel on the right side. Here we have it. And this is where I'm going to create my prompt. So here is my prompt. So I have created a formula that counts how many students are marked present. Column C contains attendance. So it's straightforward, quite simple. First part is I tell it what to do. Second part, column C contains attendance. I tell it where my data is. And if I had another condition, I can definitely add it there. But we're going to keep the first example simple. So if I enter right here, Gemini is now analyzing my data based on the prompt that I have provided it. And it has come up with this formula. So it has an explanation of what formula it used and how it did it. You can use COUNTIF function to count the number of students marked present in the attendance column, which is this range right here. So here is the formula that Gemini has created for us and also the result. So with Gemini, it has given us everything, an explanation, the formula, and the results. So all we have to do is just create that prompt and it will do the rest for us. So now if we just want to insert that formula, just select the cell where you want the results or the formula to be inserted. So after selecting the cell or the range, then click on insert right here. And there you have it. We have a count of 14 present attendance based on our data. Next example. What if we wanted to create a formula that returns the word pass if the score in column E is 75 or higher and fail if it's below 75? Again, I'm just going to enter my prompt right here. In my prompt, I already told it what I wanted to do. I've also mentioned where my data is, and I've also included the conditions that I want applied. Now, if I press enter right here, again, it's just analyzing our data. And it will explain what function it has used, the formula it has created, and the results. And there you have it. Now, it also has suggested that it will fill a column in this range right here if we click on Insert. Because it's not only applying this formula into just one data, it's applying it to our entire table right here. So if we do press on Insert right there, just select that and click on Insert. There you have it. It's added that column and now it has provided us with the results of pass, fail based on the scores on column E right here. So again, 3 parts of your prompt that you need to remember. The goal of the prompt, what you want the formula to do, your data, where is your data located, and your rules, any conditions that you want applied with your data set. And there you have it. Now, if you want to add preferences like use the specific function for this formula, you can also do that. So for my last prompt, what I wanted to do is to calculate the average scores of students where the status in column D is active. So I wanted to use the filter function to include only the active rows. So if I press enter again, Gemini is doing its magic, analyzing my data based on the prompt that I have given it. And now we have the explanation of how it did it, the formula itself, and again, the results. And there you have it. And that's how you create the perfect prompt formula that gives you the best results in using Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.